Do you want to become a Disciplined Agile Senior Scrum Master Certified? And I'm sure that you do want to, because this video I have explained in detail about the fundamental concept of Disciplined Agile. How does the idea actually evolve, its background, its history, and since in 2020, the Project Management Institute and Disciplined Agile has decided to tie their knots, and as a result, a merger has been made. And Project Management Institute as now is offering a wide variety of agile certifications under its banner known as Disciplined Agile. And in this video, I've covered all the foundational details you need to pass the Senior Scrum Master Certification, which is one of the core certification of Disciplined Agile and its banner. So without any delay, once again, let's just get started. The concept of Disciplined Agile is setting new horizons across the project management fraternity. The idea emerged when in 2009 IBM decided to design its foundational building blocks, and then later in 2012 the concept of Disciplined Agile was introduced to the world by the book name Disciplined Agile Delivery. And since then it has become one of the most popular choice among the project management fraternity. So the idea of Disciplined Agile is it's actually doesn't reflect a framework but rather a toolkit that focuses on the decisions you need to make, and then the options that are available to you, and then the trade-offs that are associated with those options. Let us first get the true understanding of the concept of Disciplined Agile, and then further we'll profoundly focus on one of its core certification that the Project Management Institute is now offering, and it's also known as Senior Scrum Master Certification under the umbrella of Disciplined Agile. So the concept of Disciplined Agile says that it's a people's first learning oriented platform which also embraces a decision tree toolkit to deliver complete spectrum of IT solution. Under the umbrella of Agile, there are a lot of approaches and methodologies that do exist. And this is where the concept of Disciplined Agile comes in, because this concept wants to bring together all the vital essentials of those methodologies and approaches so that you can pick and choose the best strategy and approach that works best within your unique situation. So, under the umbrella of Agile, the widely used methodologies and approaches are like Scrum, Kanban, Lean, Safe, and there are many more like test driven development, feature driven development, AUP, which stands for Agile Unified Process, and then DSDM, which stands for Dynamic Systems Development Method, and there are many more like Crystal and many other. The underlying idea is to pick and choose the best approach or strategy that works better in your unique situation, can bring the desired results out of it. So this is the blueprint of all the Agile certifications the Project Management Institute is offering under the banner of Disciplined Agile. So the first certification of that series is also known as Disciplined Agile Scrum Master. And if you are interested in getting to know the details and want to pass this certification, so I have created a separate video by the name of Disciplined Agile Scrum Master Certification, and I've already provided the link of that video in the front video's link description area. So that video contains each and every tiniest details if you want to pass that certification. So briefly, the Disciplined Agile Scrum Master Certification is an entry-level certification. For that, you do not need a prior experience of Agile. The only requirement is to get a 2-day trainings from the Disciplined Agile partner from PMI, and then you are eligible to appear in the exam. So once you pass on the Disciplined Agile Scrum Master Certification, then the next step is Disciplined Agile Senior Scrum Master Certification, which is one step ahead of the Disciplined Agile Scrum Master Certification. And today's video, I'm going to focus on all the tiniest details of that certification that you need to pass it. So once you pass the Scrum Master certification, then the next level is Disciplined Agile Coach, which is a one step above Disciplined Agile Senior Scrum Master certification. And for that, you require probably 3 years of Agile experience, especially in a leadership role, and then a 3 day training from a Disciplined Agile partner, and then you can apply for the Disciplined Agile certification and you can appear in the exam. And then we have another certification lined up, which is Disciplined Agile Value Stream Consultant, which is a unique certification and it has a unique content, and its prime emphasis is on value driven delivery. And for that certification, again, you need 3 years of specified agile experience, especially in a leadership role, and a 3 days training from the Disciplined Agile partner, and then you can appear in the exam. And after that, we have PMI's on product, which is known as PMI's ACP. ACP stands for Agile Certified Practitioner. And again, I'm iterating that this is PMI's on product. And if you want to know the details of that certification, I've already created a separate video with the name of PMI Agile Certified Practitioner, all you need to know about. So if you're interested in getting to know the ACP, so I have given the description of that link in the video link description area as well. So this is in a nutshell the whole blueprint of the Disciplined Agile certifications the Project Management Institute is offering at the moment. By now, I'm hoping that this blueprint has actually given you a broad view of all the Agile certifications the Project Management Institute is offering under the banner of Disciplined Agile. So let's move forward and see the specifics of Disciplined Agile Senior Scrum Master certification. So the Senior Scrum Master certification is specifically designed for product owners, project managers, scrum masters, team coaches, team leads, senior developers, senior testers, architecture owners, or any other role that is under the practice of Agile. And the content of Senior Scrum Master certification includes the real understandings of Disciplined Agile toolkit, complete understanding of Disciplined Agile practices, strategies, and their trade-offs. Like I've already told you that under the banner of Agile, there are a lot many approaches and methodologies that do exist, like SAFe, like Lean, Scrum, Kanban, TDD, FDD, which is a feature driven development, DSDM stands for Dynamic Systems Development Method, AUP, Agile Unified Process, crystals, and there are many more. So it's about learning and understanding that how does the concept of Disciplined Agile gets fit in, and merging those strategies and picking and choosing one of the approaches and strategies that works better within your unique situation and their trade-offs as well. This certification also looks on hands-on applications of that Agile toolkit, and then most importantly the choice of choosing your way of working, which means that under the umbrella you are now having the choice to pick and choose that which one is the best methodology that works best within your unique situation and can bring the desired results out of it. And then generating value streams and resolving the most complex problems, self-organizing and self-managing teams, which means that the teams are self-organizing. They need to choose which chunk of working items they want to choose without having any dictation from the above. And the team is self-managing, which means that the team themselves is managing the work without any direction from the above. And then team empowerment and emotional intelligence. So team empowerment means that the team is empowered by the project manager. So in agile, the agile promotes the concept of servant leadership, which is carrying food and water for the team, so shielding interruptions and helping team to improve and be more productive and more efficient towards the goals of the iteration. And then obviously continuous improvement, that's the content of this certification as well. And then adapting to change, problem detection and resolution, because change is very common attribute in the agile projects, and change can come at any point in time, any phase in time. A change can be any source. Sometimes it's the customer that is asking for an extra feature, sometimes it's the defect that may have occurred as part of a change, sometimes the project has entirely changed. So change can come again at any point in time, and you as a project manager needs to be adaptive to that change and need to make appropriate solution that can works better with your product. So the content can also include problem detection and resolution, and then driven delivery, because the agile projects are more focused on delivering value. So the Senior Scrum Master certification has its own prerequisites. So the first requirement is that you must have a 2 years of working experience within the agile teams, and that working experience must especially is in a leadership under the leadership role. So the role could be a project manager, scrum master, agile lead, product owner, senior developer, architecture owner. And the second requirement to appear in the Senior Scrum Master certification is that you must take a 2-day preparation training from Disciplined Agile partner. And that is a must thing. And then comes $1 million question, that how much you need to spend the certification cost in order to appear for the Senior Scrum Master certification exam. And the answer to that question is that the certification cost may vary depending upon the geographical region you're taking the training from, because the training at the moment is offered in a visual mode, and it's spread across the geographical regions, and the training cost depends upon which geographical region you wants to choose in order to take that training. And I have visited many discipline agile partners that are registered with PMI, and they are available on the PMI.org page. And their charges may vary again depending upon the geographical region they are residing. So in generally they are charging you around 850 USD to 1000 USD. And most importantly, your certification fee is included within your training fee for this certification. And with this, we have now reached to the end of this video, and I'm hoping this video has been important information around the Senior Scrum Master certification area and that certification. So if you have still any questions, so please feel free and put in the comment section, and I'll individually get back to you with the best of my knowledge. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.